whether I made a statement yesterday, whether I am for it or I am not for it, is irrelevant. It's the Senate is duty bound to convene the impeachment court according to our constitution. Kumbaga ano namin yan, responsibilidad po namin yan. Nagsalta na po ako dati, sabi ko po, nung hindi pa po na-forward, sabi ko that time, hindi naman ako pabor talaga sa, dahil we have to be realistic about it, that impeachment is politically charged. No? It's both legal and more political. Dalawa po yan. Lahat naman po ng impeachment process is really politically charged. And my worry at that time, alam niyo naman, I shared my frustrations na naiiwan na po tayo na ASEAN neighbors natin, ang dami nating problema. No? Hindi lang transport, hindi lang to railway, hindi lang to airport, may energy pa tayo na dapat tignan.